swearing at me? I thought we were friends.
We are back. It is so cold and damp, and we have been so busy here at Leduc Bus Lines. I had to call our dear friend Wayne to get a truck out here to actually move this bus in for us. It has been sitting since the day it was parked. It has not been touched since the last video came out. We are very fortunate to have Corey here, who is a bus driver part-time and a full-time operator for Wayne. We have a great friendship with both Wayne and Corey. Our companies work very well together. And I texted Wayne today basically to say that, hey, our guys are super busy. I don't want to keep bugging them. If I do keep bugging them, they're gonna get upset. And if I wait for them to have an opportunity to get this in and warmed up, it's gonna be the spring and she won't be fixed. So to keep the project on track, we have Corey out here getting the bus ready to actually pick it up from the front and back it in so we can access the engine. And it'll be a lot easier once it's inside to find an hour here, an hour there to start working on it, versus waiting for better weather to not come out and have to walk a couple hundred feet back and forth with tools and carts. It's just not tenable to start the project out here. So we're gonna get it in, we're gonna make stuff happen. And I have not yet told the boss that this is what we're doing, but I think he saw the big green tow truck show up, so he might be aware of the fact that we're getting results. Corey, say hi.
Hey.
Finally, an update for YouTube. It's been forever. When did you bring it here? That was before our Christmas party in November, right?
That was, yeah.
All right. Hey, Taryn, we're getting movement.
What?
We're getting movement.
Finally.
Finally. I may be a nut expert, but I don't know what kind of nuts you're looking for.
No worries. But these look like you won't even need caging bolts.
No?
No, they look like self-caging.
Beauty.
I already got the nut.
So for the first time in 5 years, you're caging the brakes. Give her a kick. That's a good sign.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see where she was laying in the frost here.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, there she is. Yeah.
But she's spinning free. That's what we like to see.
Amazing. Thanks, man.
Not a problem.
So when he picked it up from where it was sitting for years, he had to actually cut the air supply to the front bags. And he supplied air individually to each component to pull it down the road. So today, in order to grab it from the front so we can back into our shop to have the engine where we want it, we need to try and block the front wheels. So this will be a little experiment. So that way we can get under the, well, he can get under the front and be able to safely grab it, hook up and chain it to then move it inside. Oh. Unreal. What a pro. I'm glad you know what you're doing. So now, in 2025, she has moved another 4 feet. Total. What a pro. Unreal. Time out. Pause the video after this. One of the biggest supporters of my channel and my endeavors with my MCI MC9 is Capital City Apparel Co. Check out their website. You can buy some of my own merch, direct from their website. They'll ship direct to your door. And if you don't want any of my stuff, you can commission them for your own fundraisers, projects, uniforms, anything at all. They have an amazing product with amazing software and endless capabilities. I've put this through the dryer dozens of times. There's no cracking, there's no fading, there's no peeling. Everything looks as fresh as the day it was done. And I cannot thank them enough for a top shelf product. So please head on over to their website, give them some love, please help support the project. And like I say, if you need anything from them at all, check out the website, get them on social media, shoot them a direct message. They will move mountains with a teaspoon for you. And they are one of my biggest supporters, and I can't thank them enough for believing in me and helping me get my channels out there so we can keep this bus going down the road and in movies and appreciated. So thanks again. How's it going, Jill?
Good. Good question for you.
Okay, I'll come right over. I'll just let him back up.
Yeah.
Bringing it back to life with precision. Hey, Corey, don't bend the license plate, eh?
It's good.
It will be.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll use it.
Okay.
It's part of Leduc history.
No, you got rid of the little follows.
Yeah, exactly.
You're not going far, so it's not too bad.
Exactly.
It's a long way from what I had before.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Which bus did I have? 3960. For the bag to air up,
Yeah.
then I'll re-level the bus so we're not taking out any exhaust on the back.
Look at you go.
Professional, right?
That's right. That's why we like a coach operator to run the heavy wrecker.
I'm gonna tell Andrew Fink you said that.
Send him the link to this video. Here we go. What a professional. Hey, sir, you picked up the wrong bus. Yeah. No problem. I'll get that door open for you. Why not?
We need new stands anyway, so
How much are they,
I
roughly?
don't know, but can we source them?
Absolutely, yeah.
We like.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay. Or come down with options at the very least if you're going to just buy them.
No, if you guys need them operationally, it makes sense, especially for a project like this.
There has been a few times where we've been short on stands, and this one we can find new more.
Are these the ones that are like 5 feet tall?
These guys.
Oh yeah. No, go ahead. Oh, those guys. Yeah. Call Traction and talk to Sean. Go ahead and just do it. Okay. It's Sean, but spelled his like differently. And just like that, she's inside. Second video down. Took a couple of months, but it has been absolutely incredibly busy here at Leduc. So it's a good problem for us, but it's also made this a lower priority. But I knew that if we didn't make it a priority to get it inside and make it more feasible to work on, this project would never get traction. We would always have a reason not to do it out in the yard. So it was worth every piece of effort to have Wayne and Corey get out here with the truck, with his skill, with his knowledge, get it inside. And now Taryn and Mark and the team can start tearing into it to get it going. So I'm really hoping that the third video won't take as long. I say it in all of my videos, it's always so long between them, but life is busy, working, going through a separation, being a parent, and just trying to hold down the fort. So this is now another little piece of excitement at Leduc, and we're gonna go play with the tow truck a bit more, and I really hope we have some more progress next week. Thanks. Thanks for bringing it in.
Anytime.
Catch you on the next one.